festivals.
Good morning students, I am Renugri from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to discuss our textbook exercises of chapter 14, that is art festival, and our first exercise is spell bee. Let us see. First exercise is spell bee. So students, read aloud the following words and write them twice. Read aloud the following words and write them twice. The first one is festival. First one is festival. What do you mean by festival? Festival are special days. So this word you have to write 2 times. मतलब ये जो वर्ड है फेस्टिवल, इसको हमें 2 बार लिखना है. So festival and festival. Now the second word is harvest. Harvest means cutting of crops. Now this word again we have to write 2 times. Harvest, harvest. Now the third word is celebrate. Celebrate. This word also have to write 2 times, that is celebrate, celebrate. And the next 3 you have to write yourself, that is worship, parade and salute. These 3 words you have to write by yourself. Now the second exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. And first fill up is Dash is a festival in which a sister ties a rakhi on her brother's wrist. So Dash is the festival sisters in which a sister ties a rakhi on her brother's wrist. On her brother's wrist. Second question is, the main festival of Maharashtra is, the main festival of Maharashtra is third one is the festival in which cattle are worshipped. The festival in which cattle are worshipped. Fourth one is Goddess Durga is worshipped. Goddess Durga is worshipped Goddess Durga is worshipped during Dash Puja. So students, tell me, Dash is a festival in which a sister ties a rakhi on her brother's wrist. ऐसा कौन सा फेस्टिवल है जिसमें एक बहन अपने भाई की कलाई पर राखी बांधती है? वो कौन सा त्यौहार है? स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी, दैट इज रक्षाबंधन. That is called Raksha Bandhan. Now the second one is the main festival of Maharashtra is. महाराष्ट्र का सबसे मेन फेस्टिवल, सबसे पॉपुलर फेस्टिवल कौन सा है स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज गणेश चतुर्थी. That is Ganesh Chaturthi. That is Ganesh Chaturthi. And the third one is the festival in which cattle are worshipped. कौन सा फेस्टिवल है जिसमें कैटल की पूजा होती है? That is called Pongal. Fourth one is Goddess Durga is worshipped during Dash Puja. हम दुर्गा जी की पूजा कब करते हैं? दुर्गा जी की पूजा हम दुर्गा पूजा में करते हैं. सो दुर्गा पूजा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट वन इज Republic Day is celebrated on 2nd October, 26th January, 15th August. Student, tell me which is the correct option. Republic Day is celebrated on? Yes student, tell me, 26th January or 15th August? Yes. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Now, second one is Harvest Festival of Assam is, your options are Bihu, Baisakhi, Onam. Students, tell me which is the correct option. And your answer is Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Now the third question is Pongal is celebrated on, and your options are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. Students, tell me the correct answer is Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Now the fourth question is Durga Puja is the main festival of, and your options are West Bengal, Assam and Punjab. Tell me students. Yes, you are right. That is West Bengal. West Bengal का मेन जो फेस्टिवल है that is called Durga Puja. Now the fifth one is snake boats are associated with, and your options are Pongal, Bihu, Onam. किस त्यौहार से सेलिब्रेट है स्नेक बोट्स? Snake boat is associated with Onam and it is celebrated in Kerala. Okay student? Now next is match the following. And student, this match the following is on page number 108 and this is your homework. This you have to do it yourself. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.